Hey everyone, Technoment here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear system data on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing is, let's see how much system data this iPhone is currently using. If I go into my settings on my iPhone and then go to general and then iPhone storage, if you go a little bit further down, all the way to the bottom is a section that says system data. As you can see here, this phone is using 10.33 gigs of system data, and there's no way to clear this because this includes cache logs and other resources, but you can follow these steps to clear them up. So very first thing you want to do is go back to the main settings here, and then you're going to go ahead and click on apps, and then we're going to scroll down until we see Safari here. So click on Safari, and then from there on go back a little bit further here, and then we're going to do a clear history and website data. So we're going to do it for all time, but keep in mind if you have tabs that you don't want to close, you want to turn that off. But if you don't mind closing out your tabs, it'll show you how many tabs. Just want to click on that, and that will do the first step of clearing some data. Now that's going to be the number one thing to do. The next thing to do is, if you're using iCloud Photos, you're going to want to click on the main setting, your iCloud account or Apple ID account here, and then click on iCloud, and then click on Photos here, and right here where it says sync and sync now, you want to go ahead and click on to sync right now, and then turn that setting off, and then we're going to click on remove from iPhone, and then we'll click on this option here to turn it off, and then after that we'll go back and turn that on again. So we'll go ahead and turn that setting on, and what that's going to do is you're going to back up your photos but then sync it again, and that will also help clear some of the system data on your iPhone. And now after you have done that, time to go back to the settings here. This time I'm going to go to general, then click on iPhone storage, and this part comes important about offloading unused apps. Basically, when apps are there and they're not being used, they're taking up data and they're also loading up system data. So what you need to do is go through some of your top apps, like the ones that you have here. For example, this one, you're going to want to click on offload the app. Basically, when you offload it, it will delete the data but keep its document and data. So if I go ahead and do that, I will be able to go ahead and offload it, and then I'll reinstall it, and that'll clear up any system data that app is taking up on your iPhone. And you're going to go down the list here and do it for each of the app, and you'll see a significant amount of memory or the storage that's being freed up here, along with system data that's also being freed up, and individually you will be able to do that for each app as well. Now there is another, you're going to go down the list here and then click on show all. If you see there's the iOS update, which is going to look something like this. It says iOS update and some version number. You want to delete that update. Here I don't have it because I already deleted it, but you might want to look into that. If you have that, it will give you the option to delete that. And that's an old update that sometimes gets cached into your iPhone, and that could also take up system data, so you want to do that step. Now after you have done all of that, you're going to go ahead and do this method, which is very quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and hold on to this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, then I hold on to the side button just like that. You're going to want to keep on holding on to that side button just like I am here until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So as you can see here, I have this right now. I'm waiting for the Apple logo to appear. I let go of that side button, and what that's going to do is go ahead and force the phone software to go ahead and shut down completely, reload the code, which will clear up any of system data that the phone is using on your iPhone. Keep in mind, for the most part, your iPhone will reclaim the storage for the system data that it needs to, but in scenarios like this method will definitely help. Now along with that is that if you're still having issues where the system data is still huge, another thing to do, which is going to be a little bit more of an effort, is you're going to want to go ahead and back up your device on your iCloud account, and then do a factory reset, and then restore from the factory backup that you have after you do a factory reset, which we explain in another video. If you're not familiar with how to do this process, you want to go ahead and follow the steps on backing up your phone, right, with the iCloud backup here, and then doing a a factory reset and restoring it on it, and that'll also clear up any system data that's being used up by your iPhone. So those are the steps. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button. Also, if you found another way to clear up system data we didn't mention, leave it in the comment section. We'll see you guys next time.